everyone, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you're good. In this video, I will be making bitterleaf soup, aka Ofe Onugbu. I'll be making the soup, the Anambra style, but with a twist. So if you enjoy Ofe Onugbu, I know you will love this one, so make sure you watch this video till the end. And please, if you're just coming across this channel for the very first time, support us by clicking on that subscribe button. It doesn't cost you anything to hit that subscribe button and become part of this family. Thank you. And to my returning subscribers, I love you. So let us begin. In this pot, I have my cow leg. You can use any protein of your choice. I just seasoned with salt and bouillon cube, and I'm adding water. Now the meat, the cow leg, is already cooking. I want to introduce the rest of the ingredients to you. I have my bitter leaf here, very fresh, my stockfish, my dry fish. This is Maggi crayfish. This is red oil crayfish, Scotch bonnet pepper and yellow habanero pepper, ofor. This is my powdered ede and Ogiri Igbo, that type that smells. So I'm back to my meat. Let's see how it's doing. I'm not using pressure pot today. Actually, this thing took enough time for it to cook. I just added the stockfish and then I've covered the pot. So I'll go ahead to prep the remaining ingredients. This bitter leaf, this bitter leaf is very fresh, guys. This is my very first time of buying fresh bitter leaf that is not bitter. Like, it is green but still it's not bitter. Most times when I buy bitter leaf that is green, I'm scared because I know it usually is very bitter. Like, I'll have to wash again to remove some of the bitter taste. I didn't want it to be that very long in the soup, so I reduced the size a bit. So this is my powdered cocoyam, that is the head there. I have to, because it's very light, if you add it straight into the pot, it's going to form lumps. So you have to either you blend it together with your crayfish or you mix in your red oil. So I'm mixing this one up with my red oil to avoid the lumps. I added some more water. So I've already cleaned my dry fish with hot water. I'm adding the Ogiri Igbo. Please don't use Ogiri Igbo for this recipe. It's Ogiri Igbo, the fermented locust beans. That's what this soup needs. So this is my blended pepper, guys. Why I actually use Scotch bonnet, that is the red one, is I like the color. Look at, I've not yet added red oil, but look at, my soup is already glittering, it's shining. Now I'm adding the dissolved cocoyam. Of course, you should know by now that there is no waste in my dictionary. I don't like wasting food or resources. So as you can see, I'm adding some hot water to the plate. I will rinse and pour back. I'm using Maggi crayfish. I didn't add everything, I just used half of the cube. I'm adding my crayfish now. I dissolved the ofor in water, normal room temperature water. I just added it, then I'll cover. Why did I add ofor? So this is where the twist comes in. You know, I'm using powdered edel. It still doesn't thicken your soup like the fresh one, so that is why I now added ofor to it. So the combination of the two, as it makes your soup look like you use fresh cocoyam for this soup. I tell you the truth, just go and try it and come back and testify. The last thing is to add our leaf. I don't stay after adding the leaf. I cover the pot for like 2 to 3 minutes. Now I'll stir. Please guys, have you subscribed to my channel? Have you given this video a thumbs up? Please just hit that like button. Just hit the like button for me. Drop your comment for me, and our soup is ready.